Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to solve the past paper tuka board examination 2025 ki past paper the solve pani tuka. So question E nalu di an object with the mass of 16 kg is placed on the earth where acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. Calculate the weight exerted by the object due to gravity. So nalu dikasime calculate the weight simbe koimo. So given dikasitu given are first kasitu mass is 16 kg. Mass is 16 kg koimo. Next dikasitu where acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. So acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small letter g and the g value is 10 meter per second square. So calculate the weight. So we need to calculate the weight. So what is the formula to calculate the weight? So weight is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity. This is the formula to calculate weight. So weight is equal to, what is the mass? 16 kg times what is acceleration due to gravity? 10 meter per second square. So the answer is 16 times 10 is equal to 160. So the weight is 160 and what is the unit for weight? The unit for weight is Newton. So the answer is 160 Newton. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you in the next video. Thank you.